In this amusing video, Mittens the cat finds herself in an unexpected sneeze fit while exploring her owner's dusty attic. As Mittens curiously navigates through the boxes, the dust tickles her sensitive nose, resulting in a series of comically exaggerated sneezes. Her eyes squinting and ears twitching with each sneeze add to the hilarity, making it impossible not to chuckle. Viewers will delight in Mittens' puzzled expressions as she tries to understand this newfound phenomenon. Each sneeze seems to catch her by surprise, creating a loop of comical reactions that are both endearing and side-splitting. It's a lighthearted reminder of the charming quirks our feline friends bring into our lives.